You notice a tiny black dot on your foot. It looks like a speck of dirt, so you try to brush it off, but it doesn't move. You try to scratch it away, but it's still there. And then, the itching starts. Then the pain. What you don't realize is that you're not looking at dirt. You're looking at the rear end of a pregnant flea that has buried itself inside your skin. This is a jigger. And today, we're breaking down exactly how to identify it, the devastating symptoms it causes, and the safe way to remove it. Stick around because getting this wrong can lead to a nightmare scenario. First, let's clear up the confusion. Jiggers are not chiggers. Chiggers are mites that bite and cause itchy red bumps. Annoying, but not permanent. A jigger or chigo flea is a different beast entirely. It's the smallest known flea and the only one that burrows into its host. They're most common in tropical regions of the Americas, the Caribbean, and sub-Saharan Africa. But with travel and climate change, understanding this parasite is important for everyone. So how do you know if it's a jigger? Look for these stages. Stage 1. The entry. You might feel a slight sting when it burrows in, but most people feel nothing. For days, it's painless. Stage 2. The growth. The female jigger feeds on your blood and swells to the size of a small pea. This is when you see the classic black dot at the center of a white circular patch. The dot is its abdomen, and it's where it breathes and excretes waste. Stage 3. The itch and pain. This is when your body reacts. The area becomes intensely itchy, inflamed, and painfully sore, especially when walking. Stage 4, the danger zone. This is the critical part. If not treated, the jigger will lay eggs and then die. The eggs hatch inside you, leading to secondary infections. This is where it gets serious. We're talking abscesses, ulcers, gangrene, and even auto-amputation of toes or fingers. For people with limited access to healthcare, jiggers can be crippling or even deadly. This is why proper treatment is non-negotiable. This is the most important part of the video. Your first instinct might be to dig it out with a needle or pin. Do not do this. If you rupture the egg sac, you will spread dozens of eggs under your skin, causing a massive new infestation. You also dramatically increase the risk of a severe bacterial infection. So, what is the safe step-by-step method? Step 1. Sterilize. See a medical professional. This is always the best option. If that's absolutely impossible, you must use a sterilized needle. That means passing it through a flame and cleaning it with alcohol. Step 2. Soften. Soak the area in warm, soapy water for 10-15 minutes. This softens the skin and can sometimes cause the jigger to back out slightly. Step 3. Gently extract. With the sterilized needle, gently widen the opening around the black dot. The goal is to lift the jigger out intact without puncturing it. It should come out in one piece. Step 4. Clean thoroughly. Once it's out, squeeze a small amount of blood from the wound to flush out any bacteria. Then clean the wound aggressively with rubbing alcohol, iodine, or another antiseptic. Step 5. Bandage. Apply antibiotic ointment and a clean bandage. Change it daily and watch for any signs of infection. Pus, increased redness, swelling, or fever. Again, the gold standard is to see a doctor or a community health worker trained in removal. They have the right tools and expertise. The best cure is prevention. If you're in a high-risk area, wear closed-toe shoes whenever possible. Apply insect repellent containing DEET to your feet and ankles. Wash your feet thoroughly with soap and water every day. Avoid walking barefoot on sandy soil, beaches, or in areas where animals like pigs or dogs are kept. Jiggers are a tiny but formidable foe. By knowing what to look for and, crucially, how to handle it safely, you can protect yourself and your family from severe complications. If you found this guide helpful and learned something new, the best way to support this channel is to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that keeps you and your family safe. Knowledge is protection. Have you ever encountered a jigger? What was your experience? Share your story in the comments below. It could help someone else. Thanks for watching.